Introducing the IC dock MB981U3-1SA SATA and IDE docking station featuring USB 3.0. When in docking station mode, it can fit both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch SATA drives. You can see both drives make use of the two-part dust cover. Also in this mode is a drive ejection lever and power button, which includes a status LED to indicate drive power and activity. On the rear of the device are a micro USB 3.0 port and a DC power port. Turning the device upside down, there are 4 rubber stands and 2 slide locks which release a separate module and allow the MB981 to transform into an even more functional product. On the top of the module is the SATA connection, which can utilize 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch drives, a power button with status LED, and a 4-pin power connection for use with 3.5-inch IDE drives. On one side is the 3.5-inch IDE drive connection, and on the other side is the 2.5-inch IDE drive connection. Both SATA and IDE 2.5-inch drives can be powered solely from the USB 3.0 bus power. Looking back to the bottom of the dock, we have included a hidden compartment to hold the 4-pin power cable for portable use and convenience.